Hello, you are welcome. The question here says find angle y in the figure below. Now, for us to find this angle y, I want us to first of all look at this triangle. This triangle here, you can just follow my tracing. So looking at this triangle, I have angle 10 and angle 30 degree. And then I have this angle as an exterior angle of the triangle because one of the line of the triangle is extended outward. So it forms this exterior angle. So you agree with me that there's a theorem that says that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. So that means this angle here will be equal to 30 plus 10. 10 plus 30, that will give us 40 degree. Because an exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. So 30 plus 10 will give us this angle here as 40 degree. Now, let's look at these 2 points now. Look at this point and look at this point as well. We have this line coming to this circumference and then this line coming to this circumference to form this angle here. And then from the same 2 points that I'm talking about now, we also have this line coming to this circumference here, and then this line coming to this circumference here to form this 40 degree. So when you have the same point like that, you have pairs of line formed at different parts of the circumference, then those two angles are angles in the same segment and they are equal. So that means this 40 degree is in the same segment with this angle here and they are equal. So that means this angle is also 40 degree. Angle in the same segments are equal. Now, look at this line here that passes through the center of the circle. So this is the center of the circle. So a straight line passing through the center of the circle is a diameter. So this is a diameter. So now the diameter forms a triangle. Once a diameter forms a triangle, the opposite angle to that diameter is right angle. The opposite angle, this is the diameter now. So the opposite angle to that diameter is right angle, 90 degree. So that means this angle is 90 degree. And that theorem states that angle in a semicircle is right angle. So that means this semicircle here, that is half of a circle by this diameter, forms 90 degree here in this triangle. So now, for us to get the value of y, you agree with me that we are going to use this triangle. So the sum of this angle 90 plus this angle plus this total angle here should give us 180 because sum of angle in a triangle add up to 180. So let me start with this complete angle. This complete angle is y plus 10. Y plus 10. So this is one angle of the triangle. Don't forget we are using this triangle. This triangle here. So this is one of the angle of the triangle complete. So which is y plus 10. And then plus the second angle which is 90. That's plus 90. Plus the third angle of the triangle which is 40. And the three angles together sum up to 180 degree. Why? Because sum of angle in a triangle is 180. So I can say y plus 90 plus 10 is 100 plus 40. That is 140. And that will be equal to 180 that we have on this right hand side. So finally I can say y is equal to 180. When this plus 140 comes to this side, it becomes minus 140. So finally, I have the value of y is equal to 180 minus 140 is 40 degrees. So the angle y is equal to 40 degrees. And that is the final answer. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and join for more videos. Thank you for watching.